So this is more or less a cotter pin. So we'll see if we can't just pry it out. There we go. Reuse. Now I can take this off. Well, had to break out the snap-on. Needed more leverage than the old Milwaukee ratchet could muster up. Snap-on's doing the job though. Ooh, that's hot. That nut is toasty. Ouch! That built up a lot of heat. That is toasty. Whew. Anyway, now we got this, so I can hopefully whack that with a hammer and it will just pop down. See what she does. There we go. Got that out of there. And the tie rod. So I'm going to do the tie rod first because it's going to take a little time, and this way I don't have the sway bar link in there for whatever reason. But I hit it with PB Blaster already. So if you can see that. This here. Hit this nut here with PB Blaster. So I'm going to break this nut free, leaving this here. Then I'm going to put the new one on. And hopefully I can keep the alignment within what I need to have it. Like I said, then I can just shoot over and get the alignment done later. After I get this whole thing done, I'll do a full realignment, so you know, we'll get everything straightened up. Should be tracking good and got all new components, so that'll work out pretty good. Let's get this thing off of here and broke free. Hopefully I don't have to break out the torch. You gotta break it. I broke it already, so that came off pretty easy. So I'm going to leave it right there, and hopefully I can just take this off of here. I left the nut on the tie rod end to help me so I could break this free without any problem. So that's what I did. I'll take this nut off, set it off to the side. Now hopefully I can just turn this off of here like so. And then I can put the new one on. Just snug it back up. And my alignment will be hardly affected, I think. There we go. It's not that bad, but we'll compare it to what the new one is. Well, new one, old one. This is a Moog right here, this non-painted one, and it's a lot stiffer than this one. So we can say this one is probably pretty wore out. But we're going to go ahead and spin this one on. And it's conveniently marked right, so, you know, you can't really go wrong because you're right. Anyway, I'm sure you guys do want to hear that. But, we'll see what we got here. Yeah. Yeah, I'm gonna end up messing this up, but there we go. Got this castle nut on there. Remember, we had that pin on there. Let's go ahead and tighten this up. Now that we got it on there. So like I said, I'm going to have the alignment done. So, not much I can do about it. There we go. Got it snug. We'll get this castle nut put on here and we'll be all set. This castle nut tightened up. Get the hole lined up. There we go. Put that little pin in there. There we go, we're all set. We got the pin in there, got that on. So we got this.
Thank you for watching MACT's videos, and remember to like and subscribe. This is a Mercy Go production.